All right. Today our lecture is the revision of internal style sheet. Okay. So when we are dealing with internal style sheet, our style will become the style tag. When we were dealing with inline style sheet, the style behaved like an attribute. But now we are making internal style sheet, so style will become the tag, and we will be writing the tag inside the head tag. Okay, we will be writing the tag inside the head tag, right? See here carefully what I am doing. I started with HTML tag. Offline class, first of all you look at LCD bete. Okay, then I write the head tag. Now inside the head tag, what I'm going to do, I will take the style tag, and the attribute of style tag will be type equal to text or CSS. Right? Online class, am I clear to you all? Divanshi, Arshdeep, Trishti, Samriddhi. Divanshi, please keep a record of attendance, bete. Both A and B section. Now, whichever tags you want to format, आप जो भी टैग, जो भी सिलेक्टर फॉर्मेट करना चाहते हो, वो सारी फॉर्मेटिंग हमने यहां करनी है. वो सारी फॉर्मेटिंग हम यहां करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम टैग्स को फॉर्मेट करेंगे, देन वी विल क्लोज द स्टाइल टैग, एंड देन वी विल राइट आवर नॉर्मल कोडिंग. Whatever I'll be doing in my PC, offline class parallel आप अपने PC पे इंप्लीमेंट करो. Right? I want to format the table. अब टेबल पे मुझे जो जो प्रॉपर्टीज लगानी है, आई एम अप्लाइंग बॉर्डर कलर रेड, सेमीकोलन, border color red, border color red, then border style I am taking, you have 8 styles, you can take any style. I am taking groove, I am taking the groove style. Okay, now I am taking height I am taking 400 pixels, width 450 pixels, and I close the table tag. I close the formatting of table selector. Okay, these are the properties which I want to apply on the table. Okay, I just reduce the size so that you can see the coding clearly. Now I apply the properties on the tr tag. On the tr tag. Clear? I am taking font family Arial, right? I am taking font size 30 pixels. I am taking font weight so that my data should appear as bold. Am I clear online class up till here? Online students, am I clear up till here, beta? Offline, am I clear to you all? Now offline class, beta, I am going to format, I am going to apply the style rules to the header column. The question which I gave in the assignment of table. In that assignment, you might have noticed it was not the header row, it was header column. Because every first cell of every row was bold, centrally aligned, and it was header cell. So here I apply the properties to the th tag. जितने भी मेरे हेडर सेल हैं उनका कलर क्या चाहिए मुझे? ग्रीन. I want the green color for them. Okay. And I am setting the padding. Padding, you know, distance of content from the border of the cell. Okay. Padding left, I am giving 20, 30. Padding right, again I am giving 30. Okay. So these are the properties I apply to the th. Now the properties which I want to apply for td. I want the rest of the cells in blue color, right? I am setting padding left 30 pixels, padding right again 30 pixels, right? This was all about my CSS properties. I have set my properties. Now, after setting the properties, offline class, please see here, give a 1 minute break. Take a 1 minute break, beta, and see the LCD. After you have set the relevant and the necessary properties, you are to close here the style tag. And finally, you close the head tag. Got it? Now I start the body tag and start your normal coding. The way you write normal coding, but no formatting now. Because formatting we have set as per the CSS rules. So I start the table tag. I am giving border here 4. Okay. I am taking here tr. Let us set the alignment also. I want the data to be centrally aligned. So I am adding one more property in the tr, text align center. Right? My every row data will be centrally aligned. tr, first cell will be th, hotels, td, Ramada, BR, Park Lane, TD, then TD, row span. Aryan, you are speaking too much in the class. Give a halt, please. Please be quiet. Row span 2, very costly. And here I close the tr. Okay, here I close the tr. Clear? Now, again I start here tr. First cell th, malls, TH, Elantamol, then MBD. Now see here, when you are writing the BR in between the cell, the content of that cell will come in separate lines. Cell is one, सेल एक ही है, उस एक सेल के अंदर जो डाटा होगा that will come in separate lines. So looking at the question, you have to frame the coding yourself, where to apply BR and where to not. Okay. Now these, see in the coding, offline class, see here. The line which I am shading, please see here, this line. This was the third column or third cell of the first row. It has been merged with the third cell of second row. So in second row, we will be having two cells. Okay. In second row, we will be having two cells. So here I close the TR. Now again TR, and I am giving here cities. TD, Jalandhar, BR tag, Chandigarh, and close the TD. Right? And here thickly, populated. Right? And finally, I close the TR. Now my table will close. Here I close the body tag, and here I close the HTML tag. Here I finally close the HTML tag. Am I clear? Internal CS revision .html. Let us see the browser view. See this. This is the browser view of the table which I just created via internal CSS. Okay. Online class, am I totally clear to you all? Anjali, Arshdeep, Trishti, Garav Sarpal, am I clear? Gargi, Sanya, Mohit, Pragati, bete, am I clear? Udayveer, Gurkirat, Naman, Tinisha, am I clear to all? I am showing the coding again. Again, I am showing the coding. You can see. Offline class totally clear to everybody. Pulkit, आपको clear है? Because you came late in the class. I will repeat the entire coding once again. Those who came late, they can understand the concept. From the beginning, I'm revising the entire coding. Parallel you type, and side by side you listen also. Let's start again the revision of the coding. Beta, in the internal style sheet, what I have done, I have taken the style tag and the attribute of style tag is type. The value of type is text oblique CSS, right? Now I want to apply the style rules on table tag. So I took the selector table without angle brackets. When you are writing the selector name, that is without angle brackets. This time your table is acting as selector. Curly bracket, opening curly bracket, properties, border hyphen color colon red. This is the name of property. Colon symbol, this is the value of property. Now how it is different from HTML? See here, I type one line here and you see carefully. If it was in HTML and you were asked to give the red color to the border, so you people would have done this. Border color equal to red. When in HTML you are writing 10th class, it is one single word. Again, I am focusing on this point. There is no attribute in HTML in which you can give space. You cannot give space in attribute name inside HTML. But in CSS, the name is separated by hyphen. Okay? So this was the case of HTML, but I am doing the formatting via CSS. So this is the style rule. Next, I apply the border style and I apply the style groove. You can apply any other style, inset, outset, dotted, ridged, dashed, anyone. Okay? Then this is the height and width of the table. This is the height and width, the length and the breadth dimensions of the table. One thing, make yourself clear about it. Whatever properties you are incorporating inside the table tag, that will affect the table, entire table. When you are working with HTML, listen this point carefully. When you are working with HTML and you are giving attribute align equal to center, that align center will bring the whole table in the center. It will not affect the data of the table. हमेशा आपको ये कंफ्यूजन रहती है कि अगर डाटा सेंटर में करना है तो टेबल टैग के अंदर अलाइन सेंटर कर दो. बेटा जी, अलाइन सेंटर अगर टेबल में लगाया है तो बेटे वो टेबल को सेंटर में लेके आएगा, टेबल के डाटा को इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. Am I clear to all? ये पॉइंट तो आज अपने दिमाग में क्लियर कर लो आप लोग. Okay? Similarly, if you want the alignment setting of data, first point, your entire row is in center. तो कोई चक्कर ही नहीं है, आप टीआर के अंदर अलाइन लगा दो, जो मैंने यहां पे करना है, टेक्स्ट अलाइन सेंटर. But suppose in HTML I give you one such table in which data alignment is totally different. In one cell right, in one cell center, in one cell middle or bottom. So in a separate TD cell, you can apply the formatting. Right? अगर हम align attribute ले रहे हैं तो values होंगी left, right, center. अगर मैं V align ले रहा हूं, top, middle, bottom. You have to clearly view the question to see the data setting in the table. Accordingly, your coding will change. Am I clear with this concept? Offline class? Yes. Online class? Gurkirat Singh, Naman, am I clear, beta? Okay, fine. When you raise your thumb, that also give me the indication that you are in the class. Now, these are the properties which I have applied on the TR. I want the data in the row should have the font Arial. font Arial. Now I have one question from you all. This TR, I have taken one time TR. It means it will affect all the rows. It will affect all the rows. In the next lecture, I will revise with you people how to set different formatting for different rows. I send you one e-content in which topic was class attribute. Right? If you want to have grouping wise setting, then that time we will use class attribute. In the next lecture, we'll be discussing that. Right? Here you have one option. Here I give one option to you. Suppose you want header row in green color, next cell in some other color. So you can set the inline feature in that particular TD. आप जिस भी टीडी को, जिस भी सेल को अलग से फॉर्मेट करना चाहते हैं, उसके अंदर इनलाइन कोडिंग लगा दो. Right? Now these are the properties which I apply on the TR. Font family Arial, font size 30 pixels, font weight bold, text align center. Right? Now I have a question from you people. Now coming to the table header, the header row, I have taken the color green because I want my header row to be appearing in green color. Then I have set this padding. Beta, cell padding or padding is a feature that signifies or specifies the distance of content of the cell from the border of the cell. एक आपका सेल है, उसके अंदर डाटा पड़ा हुआ है, वो डाटा आपके सेल के बॉर्डर से कितना पीछे है, कितना डिस्टेंस पर है, that is the padding. The more you increase the value, the more padding will increase. This is similar to the cell padding attribute that you take in table tag in HTML. Am I clearly audible and clear to offline class? Online class, am I clear? Himanshu, Dheer, Diksha, Diljit, Mannat, Amish, Ashmit, Harsh Noor, am I clear? Both of you? Okay. Now moving to the next TD, my data cell, table data. Which cell is known as the workhorse of the table? TD. TD is known as workhorse of the table. Which cell, which tag is used to create a row? Table, TR, table row. Which tag signifies the descriptive title to the table? Caption. Caption. So these are the properties which I apply to the TD. You can apply some more properties of your choice. I have taken these properties. If you want more formatting, so from your own side, you can incorporate other properties also as per your choice. Okay? Now here you close the style tag. अभी हम सिर्फ CSS की प्रॉपर्टी सेट कर रहे हैं. Right now I haven't start the coding. Right? Now here I start my actual coding. Here I will start my actual coding. Table border equal to 4. Beta, if we are taking border width in the table tag as a property, it will give the border around the table, but not the internal border. In your assignment, many students have written border width 4. That was to display border around the table. What about the internal border? Internal border अब आएगा जब आप border attribute HTML में दे रहे हैं. अगर आपको internal border via CSS सेट करने हैं, तो सुन लो क्या करना है. TR के अंदर, TD के अंदर आपको border properties लेनी पड़ेंगी. Right? Now here, see carefully. Till now, you were doing header row, the first row, header row, and all the cells of header row were in TH. Here I have changed the concept. Only the first cell of every row is header cell. It means it is not the header row, it is the header column. It is the header column. When you have header column, 10th class, बेटे आपको उस टाइम क्या करना है? You have to take only the first cell in TH. Remember this concept. When you have header column, आपको ये दिख रहा है कि टेबल में पहला सेल डार्क है, बोल्ड है और सेंट्रली अलाइंड है. That time, for that particular row, only the first cell will be the header, rest of the cells will be normal. Am I clear? So now these two hotel names, Ramada and Park Lane, I want in separate lines. So I have taken the BR. I have taken the BR. Right? Then this next concept, very costly. This is row span, because as per the table, you can see the third cell of the first row. The third cell of the first row is being merged with the third cell of the second row. Think mathematically. पहली रो का तीसरा सेल दूसरी रो के तीसरे सेल से कंबाइन हो रहा है. The third cell of the first row is combined with the third cell of the second row. और क्लियर करना चाहते हो तो थिंक कि वो वर्टिकली नीचे जा रहा है. It is going vertically down. Right? So this is the case of row span. अगर ये हॉरिजॉन्टल चलता तो ये क्या होता? कॉल स्पैन. वेरी राइट, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. Right? So similarly, now coming to the second row. This is the second row. Now the third cell of second row already merged with the first. So in the second row, I will be having only two cells, malls and the name of the malls. Am I clear? Am I totally clear? Then shifting to the third row is the normal row, but data I want in separate lines, so I apply the BR. Cities is my header cell. This is green in color. The name of two cities in separate lines, I apply the BR. Again, the data over here, I want in separate line and I apply BR. Thickly populated. After this, I close normally my table tag, normally the body tag, and normally the HTML tag. Again, I'm focusing on one major point. I announced two questions as example. You have been given one table or one paragraph, whatever, and I ask you, frame the CSS properties by applying proper style rules. I haven't mentioned any method. Beta, you can apply any method, inline, internal or external. You are free. No cramming, nothing. But on the contrary, if I have given one method, apply the CSS formatting rules by using inline style, then you are bound to use inline style. Am I clear? Online class, am I clear to you people?